Children of class 9, I have already taught first chapter of physics, and I requested you all to solve numerical problems, and if you have any problem then put it on the WhatsApp in the group, and then I will try to solve these questions. Now today we are going to study about the chemistry. Class 9 chemistry. Matter, we have to study here matter. Around us. Our ancestors, जैसा कि हम लोग अपने ऋषि मुनियों से सुना है कि हम लोगों का शरीर जो है वो 5 तत्वों से मिलकर बना है। क्षितिजल पावक गगन समीरा पंच रचित अधम शरीर। मानव का शरीर 5 तत्वों से मिलकर बना है। ये जो तत्व की व्याख्या है इसको पहले ही कर दिया गया था। Now our scientists have defined the matter and classify according to its physical and chemical properties. So that before we go deep into the description, let's we have a look on what is matter. Anything which occupies space and have mass and can be understood by sense organs. Alcohol is called the matter. So two things is very essential: occupies space and have mass. It means volume and mass. So for example, chalk, duster, book, air, water, etc. In this topic, we see that the substance must occupy the space, that is the substance contains mass, contains volume and mass. Now in chemistry, matter can be classified on the two bases. First one is physical properties basis. Second one, chemical properties basis. I repeat you all guys, you please stay at home and stay safe. Maintain social distancing whenever if it is necessary to go out, because only these two tricks by which we can break the chain of coronavirus spreading. And one thing is another very important information as I am sharing with you. Whenever if any person coming from outside of your district or your home, then you must convey your message to the DM, District Magistrate of Madhubani. Mobile number is concerned 262 and this is because whenever if any outsider comes in our house or home, then he or she must have to be quarantined for 14 days, because only this if he is contaminated of this type of disease he will be recovered and checked, and we will be safe from spreading this type of epidemic virus. I am repeating it once again because it is very important, and this is the first chapter of chemistry. Matter around us. What is matter? As from very beginning of the class 6 or 4th you will have been studying, anything which occupies space and have mass and can be understood by our sense organs is called the matter. Eye, chalk, duster, book, air, water, etc. The substance must occupy the space, that is the substance contains volume and mass. Now in chemistry, matter can be classified on the two bases. One is physical properties and the second one is chemical properties. Now let's we have a look on description of physical properties basis. On the basis of physical properties, matter is classified in three states. Solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. Second one, on the basis of chemical properties, matter is classified, matter is of three types: element, compound, and mixture. Element, compound, and mixture. Now for more description, I will study from very beginning. On the basis of physical properties, solid, liquid, and gas. What is solid, what is liquid and gas? We will have also to give the details of this. Now, what is solid? Generally, we have definitions as the matter which has definite shape and definite volume, and cannot fulfill completely the container is called the solid. Yourself definite shape and definite volume. What is volume? The quantity or the mass present in per unit density, that is called the volume. And as the matter which has definite shape and definite volume and cannot fulfill completely the container. Container means in which the solid substance is put. Example: pen, chalk, iron, wood, furniture, etc. Second one, liquid. It is that matter which has only definite volume and no definite shape and cannot fulfill the container completely. Is known as liquid as water, oil, milk, etc. As I am thinking, this is the introductory classes. Note, this is going. It is the going class, and next day we will give you description details about the physical properties of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. I will, and then after we will understand why a substance is solid, liquid, or gas. What are the factors which affect the becoming of solid, liquid, and gas? Thank you and have a nice day.